Hey, what's going on, guys? Before we get into it and today's video topic, I recently noticed that yesterday I got my first subscriber. Really appreciate that. I haven't shared this with anyone I know. This is just like a little project I'm working on, and getting my first subscriber completely organic just means a lot. So, if anyone watching this can subscribe and like and comment, it would mean a ton. I just wanted to point that out because it's a very small milestone, but it did mean a lot. So I appreciate whoever subscribed. Moving forward, there's something I want to talk about today, and in the name of transparency, this is my trading journal. This is what I'm doing in my journey every single day. I kind of have to share this. We're gonna have good days, we're gonna have bad days, and last night, it was a bad day. So I'm not too beat up about it. Like I said, this wallet that I'm trading with is just like fun money. I did take a big loss, as you'll see, but what is kind of comforting is it seems like a lot of my timeline also took huge losses. So, I guess everyone's kind of in pain together. So let's get into it. So my wallet yesterday was at, around 42 Solana. It was like 41.5 or something like that. So now today we're sitting at 31.2. I lost around 10 Sol or so, $2,000 last night. And what happened is this guy, Argentina's president, launched a meme coin, and turns out I guess it wasn't real. No one's really sure what happened, but he posted a contract address with a full explanation, and he's deleted that since, but had a full explanation of what the token's utility was, and also what he's going to do with the token, and had a full contract address and everything. So everyone thought it was legit. This was the chart, right? So I saw it within the first like 30 minutes or so. And I was watching it, and it hit an all-time high. And then I saw that it had retraced down to here. And I figured that was a pretty good time to start buying in. So I grabbed about 10 Sol or so at that level. I was assuming it was going to go to around 10 bill. I didn't think it was going to do like what Trump's token did, but Argentina's president is pretty memeable, and there's tons of edits about him. He's pretty well known, and so I figured if this was legit, we'd see at least a 10 bill market cap. I got in around 3.5 bill, but it just kept dumping, and so around here I bought some more, trying to catch the falling knife, and as it just kept going lower, I eventually just cut my losses when I was down around 50-60%. So in total, I put in around 20 Sol, and then I told myself once that 20 Sol hit 10 Sol worth, taking like a 50% loss, I would just exit and call it, and that's what I did. So it wasn't a very fun like 30 minutes for me, but everyone that I've been talking to and everyone that I see on the timeline, there were very few people that profited. It was definitely some sort of huge scam and huge rug, and everyone over the timeline today is just freaking out. And now we're having this debate on, is Solana a scam chain or not? I personally love Solana, and I don't think just because scams launch on it, that means that the chain should be banned or something. That's ridiculous. Like, if you're a trader and you decide to take trades on chain, on a certain chain, and you lose money, that's completely on you. You cannot blame the chain for that. Solana is great at what it does, high speed, low cost, and there's no other chain better for that. So hence why all the meme coins are launching on Solana. Kind of the proof is in the pudding there. Yes, there's more scams than anything, but that's also because of just how powerful Solana is as a blockchain. So I could go on with that and talk about the pros and cons of Solana, as I've been in the ecosystem for like 3 years now, but that's another topic. So another video one day maybe. But yeah, I just wanted to update this. Lost 2,000 on the day. Not my best day, but it's kind of how it goes. I don't think most traders' portfolios just go straight up, right? You kind of have the highs and lows, and currently this is the low. So hopefully we can catch a few good trades in the next coming days, maybe next week sometime. The overall meme coin market and crypto market is down from yesterday as well. A lot of these that I was eyeing do look like they have good entries. I might get some fog here to kind of swing trade it. Same with PopCat. I do think once the market picks up, PopCat will be one of the go-to coins to run really hard if memes are still alive, just simply because they got their recent Coinbase listing. And it's just a meme that, is sort of in the likes of like Doge and Whiff and Bonk and Pepe. Like, it's just becoming one of those classic memes that I think will survive, one of the few that will survive multiple cycles. So, I probably am going to get an entry with like 20 SOL or so here soon. I think it's a great opportunity right now, but I'm also just very weary of what the market's going to look like in the coming days. But I don't know, I might hold it and swing trade it for hopefully make all my profit back. But that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I just wanted to update you guys on, this terrible trade that did not work out in my favor. But there's more to come. There's going to be more crazy launches every single day. So just going to have to keep an eye out for it. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share. I guess another thing to speak on as well is, this trading wallet. Some of you seeing this will think, man, that's terrible. How can you keep doing this? Like, you just lost, $2,000. Like, that's a lot of money, and it is. But I guess what's important is that, and I will reiterate this a lot, throughout my videos, win or lose, and probably more whenever I do lose, is that this money in this trading wallet is all for fun. I think I'm a pretty good trader. I think I have a track record that backs it up. If you look over the past few years. So I think I can turn this into a decent chunk of change, more so than what it is now. And even if it does go to zero, I have my long-term portfolio that I'm not touching that is worth a lot more than this. And so, I'm just having fun with, 5-10% of my portfolio. And so after I've already taken, tons of profits into USD. And so, this is just my journal. This is just my journey as a trader. And I just want to document all of this because I don't think anyone else is really doing something as transparent as this. And I think I can provide a lot of value. And of course, the videos will get better and better. I'm just starting out, but hopefully the audio quality improves moving forward. All the money that I make from YouTube, if I ever get monetized, would be just to go back into the channel and make it better and better. So, this is going to be a long journey, and, I'm really excited to keep making more videos and updating you guys as much as possible. So, with that, I'll let you guys go. And, if you made it this far, I appreciate you. And I will have another video for you guys tomorrow. So have a good day. Hope you guys didn't get burnt too bad if you guys also partook in this trade. And, have a good one. Peace.